Hi all, today we will learn about touch command. So we used to create a file using cat command. Now I'll show you how to create a file using touch command. So let me tell you, we have only two files. Now I will create a file, touch file 1. So this file was created over here, cat file 1. You can see the size of file 1 is 0, okay, and it's created just now 1716. There is no content in that file. So if you use touch command, you can create a blank file. And if file is already created, then what will happen? So let me show you. ls-l. The timestamp of anaconda.cfg file is feb 7 2259. Okay, now I'll touch that file, touch anaconda. So the timestamp will change of this file. See, from 7th of Feb to is changed to 15th of Feb and timestamp 1716. Still content is the same. See, content is the same. The value of this 1823. So this how you can change the timestamp of that. So we create a blank file using touch command and we change the timestamp. But timestamp got changed for to current timestamp, like date. So it's changed with current date only 15. So I want to change this timestamp with some other time, like, so you can use date touch -t. Then we have to give year. So year is 2018. Then month is Feb 02. Date we are going 07. Then we will give time 2359. Okay, and a file name. Now we will see ll anaconda 7th Feb 2359 anaconda.cfg. So this how it works. You can change a timestamp. So if file is not there, it will create a file. If file is there, it will change the timestamp. If you want to change the timestamp to other time, not the current one, you can use touch -t and the format is, let me type touch -t, then YYYY MM DD HH MM. So how is it? And the file name here, like file name. So this is year 2017, which we have passed 2018. Month is 02 February and date is 07. Then R23, second minute is 59 and a file name. So this how you can change the timestamp of any file. Let me show you once again. We have a file called initial setup and size of this 1916. Okay, touch -t 2015. Okay, I'm going long back 01 and the date is 01. Timing is 0519. Okay, and a file name initial setup. If I do ll, you can see size is 1916, still same. Jan 1 2015. Okay, so we are going in a back date 17. Give me. Okay, we are going to a system installation date. So we are changing a year of this. But if we are if we get current year or next year, okay, there's a problem. We have to give, this will be in the same year 2018. Okay, see, 2018 is the correct timing is showing. But if we are going to 2017, then time will get changed. It's showing year like is the last year. So this how you can use this file. Timing is not required. So this how you can change the timestamp of any file to any time. Okay, so that's all for today. You learn about creating a blank file or changing a timestamp using touch command. So see you in the next session. Goodbye.